going on? Y'all know who it is, it's JJ. So y'all can tell, back at it like an addict. But y'all can tell by the thumbnail that we're looking at this Nissan Sentra. Pick this little baddie up for 300 of those little dollars. Needs a hood and a front bumper, but they actually got a matching one. They got a couple matching ones at LKQ. So, you know, when I do end up fixing this one, y'all gonna see me at LKQ getting it. Hopefully they still got them out there. They say they do on the line online, but you never know. Got fresh oil in there. Got fresh oil. Has coolant. Brakes look good. Hood's not worth it. It's latched though. Just always get like a little. I can go and get the Certifit bumper and just put the black Certifit bumper on there. You know, and just have Wilson, you know, just touch that up and go and just do it that away. Cause all I really need is the hood, really. Just go get the hood, take it to Wilson, you know, have them make it all, you know. But I really, you know, straighten and just put it together and touch it up. What is this? I guess some type of trim that goes around there. I probably have to. Okay, you gotta go get those. I gotta get those from the salvage yard. I don't know why those ain't in there. But besides that, you know, it's a little dusty. Been sitting over there. Dirty. Power door. I was about to say the power. Good tires on there. Need a good detail, but you know we got a good detail shop. Let's fire it up. See what get the mileage on this thing. We got an aux in here. Oh man. I gotta close the door. Let's see. Fire right up, 168,000 miles. Have the tire pressure light on. Got some Sonic cups, got some coins in here. Okay, got some perfume in there. Lip gloss. Some little shades. Okay, got a little phone charger. Radio works. Check the AC. It just clicks it right on. AC clicks it right on. What does it got? Bluetooth? Nah, this can't have no Bluetooth. It's probably like voice command or something. Really? Got the little buttons on there, but I'm just got the little buttons on there. Got the little buttons on there. It's got the little buttons on there. Gotta go to the salvage yard and get a new one of those. I guess they held it up for the longest with the little zip tie, but I mean, it's good. Maybe we can bolt that back on there. AC blows cold. Enough of that. Make sure the heater works. Had a watermelon scent in there. I ain't gonna touch it. Now we got to drive. Okay, the seat belts. Okay, so the accident was pretty bad because this is what we got left of a seat part. Got like 2 bolts on there. It was supposed to be bolted somewhere. Just okay, it's missing. I was looking at it like it's missing the other piece to the seatbelt. Just put that. That's good enough. That's good enough to keep us in. Okay, go in reverse. Okay, so we ain't got no mount problems. Okay, they literally just got the oil change not too long, or no, it's needing an oil change. Okay, so they got the oil change not too long ago, but they probably up for needing, but they probably had an accident after they had the oil change. So I mean, no, because probably before, because it said 511, so they probably had the accident around that time. Probably had to wait till the insurance company get everything situated. Let's go drive and make sure she got some gears in this old Nissan. We got brakes. We got brakes in this one. Make sure we got all the gears in this thing. Need an alignment though, out of line, you can feel that. But this thing rides smooth. It rides pretty good, but you can tell it's out of line. But I mean, if you were hit, you'd be kind of out of line too. So if you need an alignment, you can really get this one taken care of pretty quickly. You can get this one ready pretty quickly, I might say. Alignment. Yeah, I can make shifting quite nicely. Let me see if we can get it on. We gotta see why that's on. But I mean, it's probably do something. Let's see it. Trying to get a good view so y'all can see it shifting through. Glory, you know. That heat is working. That heat is being heat. So, get a matching color. You can go get a matching color hood. We can really have this one ready so quickly, honestly. You know, we can get this one, but you know, we gotta wait. We gotta wait for the title. So I always, excuse me, let me get on through here. Dog out your, get your dog out. Thank you. Get your dog out your way. Yeah, this one, but you know. When you buy cars from like online, and most of these cars are coming from out of state, I have to wait for the title to get it here. Cause then once the title gets here, I can do the good old VIN inspection, and then with the VIN, then I get my title. But I mean, I can always do the VIN inspection later. But what I like to do is when the title, I kind of try to have it. I'm trying to kind of have it in the process of where, you know, I'm knocking everything out at one time. It's kind of going into like a flow of everything. So I kind of want, like, what I want to do is, okay, I go to the salvage yard and get the parts, right? I go get the parts, and they have them ready. So boom, the title get, oh, that's a glass bottle. Hopefully I don't run it over. I think I missed it. So this is what happens. We go to the salvage yard. We go get I go collect all the parts I need. Then, okay, we drop it off at Wilson, or you know, I can go get all the parts I need when I pick it up from Wilson. Nah, that's probably better than if I go get all the parts I need, take it to Wilson, have them fix it. So then when I do get the title, I pick it up from Wilson. I go to the tag agency, they do the VIN inspection at the tag agency, and then I take the car to the detail shop, and then the car will be at the detail shop for a day or so, and then by the time it's done at the detail shop, the title is back and the car is ready to be sold. The car is back and it's ready to be sold. I mean, you can sell the car. I can sell the car before I get the title back because I know the title is coming back. You know, I have the title, so I do know it is coming back. I need to get my yard cut before the state be coming through trying to put a fine on you, boy. For the state be trying to put a fine. For the state try to put a fine on you, boy. Let me go park this up front right quick, and then let me go park this up front right quick, and we can do one last walk around. I know y'all probably tired of seeing me. Probably like, show the car. We don't want to see you. I understand. Runs good. Runs good. Needs to be detailed. To use the alignment. Definitely get a matching. Go grab a matching color hood. We ain't gonna worry about the fender. We can paint. We can touch that fender up. Is that dirt? No, that's just dirt. That's just dirt. They get cleaned off. So I really just need a hood, and depending on how the grill look, maybe if I can get the hood and bumper, get them both from Certifit, I really can put it on myself because it really don't look like anything is bent. It really look like they just knocked the bumper off. We will have this little dent up top, but I mean, nothing you can do about that. And you kind of could get in there and I could probably get in there and probably like hit it up some, but I don't know. Oh yeah, need a new one of these. Be easy to replace since it's right here and it's already. I can just bolt, bam. Yep. But let me know in the comment section below. Y'all see I paid $300 for it? What y'all think? $300? Deal or no deal? And after it's fixed, what would y'all sell it for? Because it do run and drive good. It's a 2008 Nissan Sentra, 168,000 miles. So, after y'all fix it, what would y'all sell it for? Let me know what y'all sell it for. After I fix it, I'm like, okay, maybe $3 grand, $3 grand, 3,500, make a good amount of cash money profit. Fix it up, detail it. Damn, this will make it, get it ready. This will make a person, looking for a good car, good little inexpensive car to send their kid, even if I ain't got too much money into it, let's say if I have like 1,000 in it, I'll sell it for 25, make 1,500, sell it for $3 grand, I probably won't have 1,000 in it. Maybe after I pay Wilson, depending on what he charges me, but probably not. If I think about it, I probably won't even have 1,000 in the car, sell it for 2,500, $3 grand. 2,500, $3 grand. Make 1,500, 2,000 profit. Somebody bought him a nice little car for their kid going off to college. And it's a clean, like you said, me, I like the clean green title. So you still get a clean green title. It's still clean, it's green, it's not salvaged, it's not rebuilt or anything like that. You ain't got no salvage, you ain't got no rebuild, so you can still go get the full coverage insurance. So you give it to that kid have an accident or anything like that, boom. They still claim that full amount of money because it's still clean and green. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe, I'm out. Peace.